Well, here we are. We are down to the finish line. We have created beautiful fluid art. We've learned how to back it, how to weave in macrame, other fibers, and now we're ready for the final cut. So, got a little comb here. First, you want to go through, comb it, just using this. And I had already given this a rough cut, so now I'm just going to go and try to make it a little bit more even. For me, sometimes on my past macrame, sometimes the very bottom cut, that could be the hardest thing to do. Comb it again. What do you think? I wanted this to kind of follow this. What do you think? Ta-da! I do have one more little video for you, and I want to show you how to, if your cords are hanging and you did not untwist them, the very bottom, I want to show you a little hack that will keep it so it won't fray. Because maybe you don't want it fraying and you're taking it maybe to an art fair, craft fairs, and you're selling your work, and being brought in and out, it can tend to fray these more. So I will show you how to make it so it does not fray. Well, we're at the end. I hope you've enjoyed this course. I hope it will inspire you to create your masterpieces, your beautiful work for you to enjoy, for you to share with others, to give as gifts, or for you to sell. So, from me to you, love, blessings, and peace and joy. Let's talk about how we can have cords that hang from our macrame and they don't fray. Yet, it's not hard. It still remains its softness. So, the recipe is 5 parts water, 1 part Elmer's glue. I use the clear transparent. So I'm going to put let's see, 25 maybe. Okay, 25 grams of water. So I would put 5 grams. Let's clear it out. Well, we'll just go up to 30. A little bit more. A little more. There we go. Oh, I forgot my stir stick. Let me get that. Okay, just gonna stir this. Take that away. I just want to mix it. And we're just gonna dip. Just gonna dip them well. And then let it dry. Before it dries, maybe I'll just... And I'll let it dry. And it will come out a little bit stiff at the end, but not hard. And much less likely to fray. Wasn't that easy? 5 parts water, 1 part, I used Elmer's clear glue. Well, there we go. Hope this helps you.